Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Crew Cab Volkswagen Transporter. This one is a long wheelbase model, it has 31,000 miles and it comes to you in a lovely bright red as well. So today, taking you around the vehicle now, I will just open the passenger door to show you inside the cab. So at the front we do of course have 3 seats, pull down the middle. Just here we do have a table, armrest if you like as well, and cup holders. This is an automatic as well. And here you can find your radio, vehicle information, and this also does come with Bluetooth, hands-free calling and voice assist. Cruise control can be managed on the steering wheel along with the air conditioning down here. Now I will just take you around the vehicle a little bit more, showing you in the back as well. We do have a further 3 seats as well. And them there for you. And if we hop right the way around to the back of the van as well, as you can see, it's a rather generous cargo space within the back. It does come with cargo rings as well for any goods you may be wanting to carry, and it is also felt line as well. This helps with noise insulation, things like that.